Alright, so next up is the classification of living things, because we humans love putting things into categories. So it's kind of like an upside down pyramid, getting more and more unique. So let's take him, for example. Hey, you're letting me be in the... Shut up. So first thing is the domain, where there are 3 subsets: bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. For a long time there were just 2, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, meaning with or without nucleus. Then Carl Carl Woese suggested that there's a kind of intermediary group called the archaea. This is good for explaining how things evolved, but it's kind of a ball ache for the rest of us trying to learn. So yeah, 3 domains, and he is in eukarya. Talking of domains, I just want to take this time to thank my sponsor for this episode, Squarespace. Just kidding, I'm not selling out. I'm not popular enough. But as soon as I hit that threshold, you better believe you're going to see that includes paid promotion notice at the bottom left. I'll tell you that much for free. So after the domains, we have the kingdoms. For eukarya, there are 4. Plantae, which guess what are plants, fungi, which guess what are fungi, and Animalia, which are dicks. And then there's also a kind of catch-all kingdom for the ones that don't fit into these ones, called Protista. So, he is an animal, obviously, so Animalia. Next is the phylum. There are 11 of these for Mammalia, so I'll just quickly list them off. 3, 2, 1, go! Annelids, which are segmented worms. Arthropods, which are invertebrates which have exoskeletons, so that includes insects, arachnids, myropods, and weirdly crustaceans. Bryozoa, which are little aquatic creatures that are so boring I can't even be bothered to make a joke about them. Chordata, which would just be vertebrates, but then these 2 little wankers ruin it. Cnidaria, which are aquatic invertebrates with tentacles, so corals, jellyfish, and anemones. Echinoderms, so starfish and stuff like that. I'm getting bored, let's speed things up. Mollusks, so snails and other stuff that only the bloody French would eat. Nematodes, which are only famous for eating SpongeBob's house. Platyhelminthes, which are flat worms, so just annelids after you stepped on them. Rotifers, which are tiny little aquatic animals that couldn't just suck it up and lose some weight so they could become bacteria. And finally sponges, which are best known for having their houses eaten by nematodes. Okay, right, never listing things ever again. He is a vertebrate, so he's going in Chordata. So then we have the class, which is Mammalia. This is not, as most people think, defined by giving birth to live young. It's actually defined by tits. Sorry, I mean milk bags. Breasticles. Cupid's kettle drums. I'm being told to stop. Yeah, it's due to the fact that we feed our young with mammary glands, hence Mammalia. So that's the class, now time for the order. For him, it's Carnivoria, animals specialised for eating meat. You mean like humans? Those damn vegans trying to tell me I can't eat my burger. Wrong series, you're psychology exclusive. What? Oh, just piss off. Next step for identifying him is identifying his family. You found them? What? They left me in this basement and said that they never wanted to see me again. I knew it was just a prank. Where are they? No, I meant your genetic family. What? You mean I'm adopted? No, Look, your family's over there. Why don't you go find them? I mean, I don't see them, but okay. Oh dear, he's not going to be happy later. His actual family is Canidae, so canines, and then his genus is Canina, so like the most canine canines. Finally, this species, which is Lupus, meaning he's a descendant from wolves. This means, in theory, that a corgi could bone a wolf and they'd make a kid that's perfectly fertile. So, there you go, that's how dogs are specified. Also, they're way better than humans. They're essentially one of the most important factors of how we developed as a society, helping with hunts and emotional companionship. Domesticating wolves was the best thing we ever did. I love dogs so much. Even me? No. Okay, that's enough for now. Next episode whenever I can be asked.